SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change screen timeout on iPhone 11. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you don't tap your iPhone screen for a certain period of time, then it's eventually going to go dim and turn itself off. This can help preserve battery life and also protect your phone from some accidental taps. But there are situations like checking a recipe or reading something where you may not interact with your screen for a while, so you might want to make the amount of time that it waits before locking a little longer. You can change your iPhone screen timeout by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the Display and Brightness option, and then you can scroll down again and select Auto Lock from this menu. Now you can select one of these durations to indicate how long your iPhone waits before it turns itself off automatically. If you choose Never, then the screen is going to stay on until you manually lock it by pressing the side or power button on the right side of the phone. Note that depending on whether or not your iPhone is managed by a school, business, or organization, you may not see the Never option here. If so, then you would need to contact the company or organization managing your phone to find out if it's possible to get that Never option back. Additionally, when you put your iPhone into low power mode, then it's going to override your current auto lock setting and go back to 30 seconds, as that's the best setting to choose for managing battery life.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.